Hello. In this video, we'll go over how to create and modify meters in Amberflo. You can see here on the screen in the image, this is the meter data structure. So this is what's sent to Amberflo to report an event each time that a meter is sent. So meters are what are the objects used to track resource consumption in Amberflo. You can meter any resource. All it requires is an API endpoint where that resource or where that event is originating, where we can connect to. And therefore, each time an event happens at the source, it would be sent to us in Amberflo for tracking and aggregation. The meters can be fully edited until you set it to the active state. So when a meter is created, it's set into the draft state. You're free to add dimensions, change any values, change even the aggregation rules, anything you need to. But then when you're ready to finalize that meter and put it into production, we recommend that you lock it by putting it into the active state. And then meters, again, can be created programmatically using the API or directly from within the UI, which I'll demonstrate right now. So we'll just go here, we'll create a new meter. We'll give it a name. This is just the display name in Amberflo. This is the API endpoint, which is going to be the source of events for this meter. Then you can provide a description if you'd like. If you check this box, then it will automatically create a new product item with this name, so that when you're creating a pricing plan, you don't have to manually do that. You can just add that product item to a plan and begin setting rates. Here you select the aggregation rule that you'd like to apply. We have a separate video going into these different aggregation rules, so I won't go into too much detail now. For this, we'll just choose sum, so this will sum up the values as they are ingested. We can add dimensions if we'd like. And you can see how they're added to the data structure below. And then once we're ready, as we said, we would activate this meter, which would lock it to further changes. And then when we save it, it'll be going into draft state. So you can see here, this is in our list of meters. New demo meter that we just created in the draft state. So we can go ahead and let's suppose we wanted to edit it. Maybe we wanted to change the aggregation rule, so we'll go ahead and do that now. And we would just save it again. And that is how you would modify and create a meter.